But please note, everything you get in this video is strictly for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. So please do your own research. And also know that results are not typical. It's all dependent on your skills level and experience. So please take note. Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this video, we've got you some new update concerning Boinkers. Now you know that we mined or farmed Boinkers some weeks ago or some days ago on Tomarket FarmingPool. Yeah. So and here it is calculating, but something strange is happening. Really, it's interesting though. Now you can see here 4.5 billion. If you look at this 530303, then 570, that's 4 billion 573 million 303,530.13 shit coins. That's the shitcoins token, and that is what is mined in the Boinkers game, right? So now if you check in my Boinkers, though here it says is calculating now, it's interesting that from my observation, I think it was just about 2 or 3 games, games, yes, or projects that were farmed here that Tomarket tells you it's ready, and you go to the app there and you find it there. For others, you you check, you see it that is completed here. By the time you go to the app, you won't find it. You won't even find it, see it added. So it becomes a cause for concern whether it's still worth it mining them. But then, since I'm not doing anything with the token yet, rather than let it be idle, let's just keep farming. Now I farmed this, and if you go to Boinkers now, you can see 4.5 billion. Just head over to Boinkers, and so this is my Boinkers. You can see there's an inbox message here. You see Boinkers, there's an inbox message. Meanwhile, if you're yet to get started with Boinkers, check in the description of this video and you'll see a link. Follow that link and create your own account and start spinning. It's just a fun game to spin, and you are mining shit coins. A question also was there that what are you doing with those shit coins? Somebody asked that question in the comments in one of the videos. What will you, so these shit coins, this is the real token. You get it? Like here I have 350 billion 977 million 591,981 shit coin tokens, right? So what we do here now, if I go here, go to the inbox, you see 15th March, Tomarket AI farming pool, right? Congratulations, shitcoin here. Claim 4.5 billion tokens, right? Good. So I think let me refresh this so that you will see the message well, or the symbol there. Okay, you can see the symbol there. That's the shit coin symbol, right? So let me claim now. Remember, I have 3. Good, it's been claimed now. So add it to that now. Let's go back and check. So if you come over, you can see it's been added 355, right? You get that? So you can see that it's been added here now. So just look at that. So it's been added, and this is one of the few that I've seen after mining you see it to claim in the app, in the mini app. Others should really learn and do the right thing. Meanwhile, enjoy the game. Just tap here to spin. You know, remember I said this makes you feel like a millionaire. Wow, the shitty rug is blocked. Okay, so that's what it is. And here also tap here to also have a boost my shit mining by 15 minutes. So I tap here. That's free. If you want to pay, you can pay and do 80 minutes or 1.69 for 250 minutes. All right, so that's what it is. You can then play the others and enjoy yourself. If you want to give the video a like, leave a comment, ask your questions, share, and please subscribe and also smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. Thank you very much, and God bless you.